Here's a quick tutorial on how to add image heads to the character wizard. The first thing I've done is I've created a picture, an image, using the PNG format because I like the transparent background. You can use JPEG or other image formats, and I've made a copy of it and I've navigated to the root folder of the character wizard, and under heads you will see images, and I've placed that image, in this case it's a smiley face, into that image folder. Pretty much straightforward. This is important because you need to have the image linked to the file that you're about to create. So now I'm going to open up Anime Studios. And I'm going to import that image. It's important that you import that image from the character wizard because you want that linked. There's my smiley face. First thing you need to do is to rename the layer. The character wizard needs to know what view you're working on. I've renamed this layer front. You can also name your layers front 3/4, side, back 3/4, or back, depending on which view you're wanting to work on. In this case it's the front. Now another thing to remember is the origin. These little crosshairs right here. This tells the character wizard how to place the image onto the body. So I'm going to change the origin down to there because that's about approximately where the neck would be and how I want it to stay. You can use any kind of layer type: switch layer, group layer, bone layer, vector layer, image layer, heck, probably even a movie layer. Haven't tried that one yet myself. I might have to. But now all you would do is you would save this file into the character wizard's head folder where you see all these other heads. I'm going to name this one Smiley, and you're going to save it as an anime file. Now when I open up the character wizard, choose the front view, go into the face, choose the head. You will see Smiley is now in the menu. Of course it already has eyes and I don't want any other eyes or nose or mouth. And you can also use some of your sliders to move it around a little bit. And there you go. This works for anything you want to add. You simply save your file in the appropriate folder. So if you had made eyes, you would save it under the appropriate folder. Just have to remember to name your layers accordingly. Let me open up one of these other files. Here is my bald head that I created. No, I don't want to save there. I want to load from there. So File, Open. No, we don't care about that. And let's open the bald head. Now as you can see, I have 5 views labeled back, back 3/4, side, front 3/4, and front. The origin placed where it needs to be, and you notice that they're larger than the workspace. This won't matter because the character wizard will resize it down somewhat. You don't want to make it, really, really large, but you don't want to make it tiny because the character wizard has a tendency to reduce things, so you just would end up with a real tiny little dot that you would end up having to play with later. So you would make your layers like I have done, name them accordingly, and then save them into the appropriate folders in the character wizard. You just save them as your anime file. And that's all you pretty much have to do. You can open up any of the existing anime files to get a look at how they're constructed, to give you an idea where to place your origins and how to name your layers. I hope this helped you.